So today, I made the 21-mile trek from Chatsworth to Burbank to try one of the most iconic, longest-running hot dog stands in Southern California. That would be Larry's Chili Dog. This is part 3 in my series, The Best Hot Dogs in the Valley. And let me tell you, this one was absolutely worth the drive, the traffic, and even the rain. Let's dive into it. Larry's Chili Dog is not just a restaurant, it's a Burbank landmark. Founded in 1937 by Larry T. Williams, it began as a simple hot dog cart serving Lockheed Martin employees, local workers, and members of the entertainment industry. Over nearly 90 years, this small business stand grew into a beloved family business with an identity all its own. Larry eventually passed the operation to his son Ron, who protected the original recipes and made sure the food stayed rooted in tradition. And to this day, Larry's remains one of the oldest continually operated restaurants in Burbank, still family run, still honoring its roots. From the hand-painted signs to the Hollywood mural featuring Bogart and Bacall, Larry's is a nostalgic time capsule, a reminder of the golden age of the valley and the kind of restaurant you just don't find anymore. Even in the rain, a crowd formed outside the window. That alone told me everything I needed to know. When people are willing to stand in bad weather for a hot dog, you're probably in the right place. And just like at Cupid's, I asked them the same question: what are your 2 best hot dogs? They told me chili cheese dog and the Chicago dog. So naturally, forgive me, but I ordered both. We'll start with the chili cheese dog, and this thing just didn't impress me. It shocked me. The moment I picked it up, I could feel the weight. It's not a small dog. This is a dog with presence. The chili is piled on, the cheese melts into the bun, and the aroma alone is enough to get your mouth watering. And then that first bite. Wow. The snap from the natural casing beef dog is absolutely perfect. That crisp, satisfying crack you only get from a truly great hot dog. And right after that snap comes the chili. This isn't a watery chili. It isn't a canned chili. This is a chili with depth, rich, savory, layered flavor, and there's a slow-cooked warmth to it, a little tang, a little spice, and a whole lot of comfort. Every bite was a flavor bomb, and every bite felt intentional. This is a chili dog that proves exactly why they've been serving it the same way for 88 years. They've mastered it. Now let's talk about the Chicago dog, the one that surprised me the most. Visually, this thing is a masterpiece. The bright mustard, crisp onions, fresh tomatoes, neon pickle, mild chilies, all sitting on a beautiful sesame seed bun. And under all of that same all beef dog with that unforgettable natural casing snap. That first bite is an explosion of texture and freshness, and the snap, the crunch, the tang from the mustard, the sweetness from the tomato, the gentle warmth from the peppers. And what I love most, none of the toppings overpower the dog. This is a balanced Chicago dog, one where every ingredient is doing its job and doing it well. It made me stop mid-bite and think, okay, this one is special. I've got to talk about the service too. It was raining. They were slammed. There were at least a dozen people ahead of me, and the young woman taking orders had every reason to be short and to the point, but she wasn't. She smiled, answered my questions, made me feel welcome, and created an experience that matched the food, warm and genuine. In a world where service seems to be slipping everywhere, Larry's feels like stepping back into a time when customer care actually mattered. Are they the best Valley hot dog? Well, you'll have to wait till the end of this series to find that out, but I will say this. If I weren't filming this video, I never would have discovered Larry's Chili Dog, and that would have been a shame. This place's history, this place's tradition, and most importantly, this place makes an exceptional hot dog. Whether you live in the San Fernando Valley, Simi Valley, or anywhere nearby, Larry's deserves a visit. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 4 and eventually our reveal of the top 5 best hot dogs in the valley. And drop a comment below if you've tried Larry's or if you can think of another hot dog spot deserving to be on our list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the neighborhood.